Today we are making a quick, easy, and delicious spaghetti recipe. We are calling it Spaghetti Abruzzesi. If you like carbonara and saffron, try this. Shall we? Ingredients for 2 people. Preparation. Start by peeling and cutting your onion into thin semicircle slices. Set aside. Grate your Pecorino Pepato cheese and transfer to a bowl. Boil the water for your pasta, as usual, making sure the pot is big enough and there's enough salt. You don't have to measure the salt, just be generous. Drizzle plenty of Belmorso extra virgin olive oil, about 3 tablespoons, in a pan, and add the onion to get that golden color. Make sure your heat is not too high, otherwise the onion will burn. Once the onion has taken some color, add the bacon and mix. Leave to cook for another few minutes over. Add the cooking cream to the onion and bacon mix. Then, add the saffron. Mix again and leave to simmer over low heat. Season lightly with salt and pepper. When the pasta is ready, set aside some cooking water. Drain it and transfer it back to the same pot. Pour the sauce over the pasta. Add the cooking water and the grated cheese. Mix well to combine. You'll see the cheese melting and you'll smile at the gorgeous aroma. Serve and sprinkle some parsley on top. Buon Appetito!